Mobile phone penetration and broadband penetration is growing very rapidly in India, and access to the internet is available in over 100 cities. So 150 million internet connections provide a great opportunity for cardholders to use their debit cards online to do things like mobile top-up, bill payment, ticketing, and other shopping, which is normally not possible when there is no merchant point of sale terminals.
There is a set of towns across the country where Visa debit card holders live, and much as they want, there are limitations to how they can transact at point of sale.
शाम का पर्दा गिरते ही बच्चे घरों को लौटने लगे, मोहल्ले की रौनक बुझ गई और अंधेरा सन्नाटा गली का नसीब हो गया.
So on the one hand were consumers who had aspirations and ambitions, and on the other hand they had a dream to advance. The connection, the resolution of this tension lay in making Visa the enabler for it.
India has over 300 million cardholders who are dreaming and trying to do new things. Visa Debit helps each one of them to fulfill their dreams by sitting anywhere and dreaming anything.
And so we started writing stories. We started writing stories of advancement. We said, what if a teacher were to light up his village in a small town, in a small place? What if a young girl could find empowerment using this? What if somebody who's striving to be a fashion designer does that out of a place where they would never encourage fashion designing? And suddenly we realized that all this is possible, that people can achieve their dreams, and with this card and the internet they can go out and get what they want. And that was so liberating for us. We had never done anything like this before.
नसीब बदलना तो अपने हाथ में है. मुझसे छोटे ने कहा, जिसकी समझ मुझसे बड़ी थी. कंप्यूटर खोला और मुझे वीज़ा डेबिट से मिलाया.
सेवा भाई.
वीज़ा डेबिट ने मुझे अपनी पूंजी से मिला दिया.
And we never realized that a simple, humble cycle and a cycle generator that a teacher wanted to create could have such a powerful effect.
पाव भी चला दिए और पाव के नीचे 2 पहिए भी लगा दिए.
When I read the script for the first time, the idea came in mind is that it should be a documentary feel, So authenticity came from the character, from the place.
It is not a commercial for me. It is the power of the people, power of the idea, and power of the imagination, which I completely believe in as an Indian, as a proud Indian.
शाम का पर्दा गिरते ही बच्चे घरों को लौटने लगे, मोहल्ले की रौनक बुझ गई और अंधेरा सन्नाटा गली का नसीब हो गया. नसीब बदलना तो अपने हाथ में है. मुझसे छोटे ने कहा, जिसकी समझ मुझसे बड़ी थी. कंप्यूटर खोला और मुझे वीज़ा डेबिट से मिलाया.
सेवा भाई.
वीज़ा डेबिट ने मुझे अपनी पूंजी से मिला दिया और दूर की चीज़ें पास आने लगी. मेरे 2 हाथ थे, वीज़ा ने कई हाथ बना दिए. पाँव भी चला दिए और पाँव के नीचे 2 पहिए भी लगा दिए. इस तरह मैंने साइकिल जनरेटर चलाकर बिजली पैदा की और मोहल्ला रोशन कर लिया. बच्चों की किलकारियां फिर गली में लौट आई.
Visa Debit. Dream to advance.
The 360-degree activation for Dream to Advance included TV, radio, on-ground activation, and most importantly, dreamtoadvance.com.
So we created a platform called Dream to Advance with a view to let people share their dreams, get ideas from other people's dreams, help each other to really, in a way, create a community. And fundamentally, we find that powerful ideas are content, and consumers pick these up into their communities and create conversations, and in a way start co-creating with the community.
That's where the entire, the dynamics of the platform changes for him. He suddenly is connected to people with relevant visions, relevant dreams, and relevant desire and passion points. Dream to Advance is based on a model of collaboration and conversation, and if you see, that's how exactly the site also functions. It just starts a conversation with a user, asking him, do you have a dream? Tell us the dream. It recommends you relevant community. Basis our research, which we were able to categorize all the possible contents into 29 different topics or communities.
India is an incredibly young and optimistic country. There are millions of young people who are wanting not only to live life to the fullest today, but also make meaningful investments for their future, for their tomorrow. Dream2Advance.com is actually about enabling their collective pursuit of their dreams.
Visa Debit equalizes ambition and lets you dream to advance.
बच्चों की किलकारियां फिर गली में लौट आई।
Visa Debit. Dream to advance.